Saw this little toxic pond here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but man, this is in the middle of nowhere. This is D1 TV back again with another video. I am in South Carolina. I found a pond. I'm gonna go fish it and see what we can get. I found 2 ponds actually. And I actually want to try this one over here. I don't know if there's any fish in there. Since I got on bug spray, mosquito spray, and I feel like I'm getting bit already. The humidity in South Carolina is insane. There's a fantastic full moon, and since we're already late, I'm gonna run up here to this little bit of water, a little body of water. Not even gonna put the chest strap on, and we're gonna test it out. Guys, I found this little spot here, about a quarter mile from where we're staying. I'm hoping there's fish here. Let's see. First cast, guys. I can't get my lure on fast enough. About a quarter mile down from where we're staying. Got a fish on the first cast. I think it was a nice fish. We're gonna stay in a little closer, because that was a lot of grass. South Carolina bass, baby. Holy smokes. Look at that fish. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that fish. Second cast. Look at the size of that fish. Come on. Let me get you back in. Almost 3 pounds. almost 3 pounds, guys. 3-pound Carolina bass. Guys, I had no idea these fish was in here, but they are. So, it's time to get dressed. It's time to get the chest visual. That was an awesome bass. You see it, 3 pounds, 2.9. Let's get back to work. I mean, I'm seeing all types of signs of life. I think I saw a big lizard here in this toxic wasteland. We're gonna move down there, lock up the car, go Texas rig. My favorite way to fish, throw a jig a couple times, see what happens. See you on the other side. Got us another South Carolina bass. Dark, healthy, not toxic. Look at that fish. These fish are healthy, dark, in this little bit of toxic wasteland, it appears. But I can't. Sorry. Can't exactly catch and release them because I'm so far away. I'm up in the grass, but man, I'm having a good time. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. More. I'm sweating like a slave. Got a bite, guys. Is that a Carolina bass? Another Carolina bass, guys. Look at this fish here. Look at this fish. Black and beautiful. Black and beautiful. Look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Well, here's the release, guys. See you later, Gertrude. Thanks for playing. Hope you have a fantastic day. There she goes. There she goes. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking through with me. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate it. Like I was saying, we're down at the resort, about a quarter of a mile down, not far from here. They have a pond, they have the sprinkler, they have like 2 ponds. But, you know, I was throwing everything I had. I was giving it all I got, man. Only thing they were interested in is breadcrumbs, nabs, little, maybe, I don't know. They wanted food. They didn't want any worms. Had a couple followers. It really sucked. It was hot, no shade. Saw this little toxic pond here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but man, this is in the middle of nowhere. This mall is closed. That shut down. It's a church. I don't think it's open right now. Nothing here. It's all toxic. It's all to the side. I guess people have been driving in through this way, maybe to get a shortcut or something. They're building houses down here. It's desolate. I saw this on the map, decided to come out here, give it a shot. First cast, I hit in the grass, missed it. Second cast, almost a 3-pounder, guys. So, one more reminder. The South Carolina heat, it ain't no joke, man. Virginia's hot, South Carolina's hot. Thanks for having me, guys. Look, one more time, you know what I always say, get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over. Peace, and I hope to see you on the next video. Take care, guys.